are you? Okay. So today we will count the pens. Okay. Count the pens. How many pens are here? Okay. Now you show me the black color. Show me the black color pen. Very good. Show me the blue color pen now. Blue color, blue color. Blue, yes, very good. Show me the red color pen. Very good. Thank you. Hi Sivlinga. How are you? Very good. So today we have many pens here. Take 3 pens from there. Very good. You took the 3 pens now? Which color pens you are having? Very good. Now keep it back. Keep it back. Okay, very nice. Very good boy. Hi Sanvika. How are you? Okay, we have many pens here. Count the pens. Very good. And take the red pen now. Okay, very nice. Take the black one. Take 2 blue pens. 2 blue pens. Very good, very good. Okay, now arrange it properly. Keep it back. Okay, very nice, very nice. How are you? Very good. Count how many pens are here. Okay. Enough. So, show me the red pen. Okay, take a black pen. Take a blue pen. Take one more red pen. Take one more red pen. Very good. How many pens you are having? Count how many pens you are having. How many pens you are having? Very good. Keep it back here right now. Very good, very good. Okay. How are you? Very good. Which color pen is this? Which color pen is this? Which color pen is this? Very good. Okay. Go.